Introducing FX. FX provides app developers with sound content for mobile app platforms such as iPhones, iPads, Androids, and virtually anything with an interface, including websites and video games. This collection features 4,000 files in categories such as actions, alarms, beeps, bells, buttons, chimes, gears, musical elements, negative elements, notifications, percussion, positive elements, switches, and general sound effects. Including short, loopable ambiances. Each high-definition sound effect was designed and mastered by the team at the Detroit Chop Shop in 24-bit 96K and delivered in some of the most popular audio formats for mobile app platforms. This collection has been fully cataloged for ease of use, complete with embedded metadata for easy search and retrieval in Pro Tools, Avid, SoundMiner, NetMix, iTunes, and other popular sound library search engines. Make some noise for your next app with FX from Blastwave FX. The new wave in sound effects.